So you're going to provide me with the driver's license.
I'm under no obligation to do so.
You're under arrest for using your mobile phone whilst driving. Okay, you don't have to say anything.
No.
Behind the fence. Do not mention when you question something which they try and incorporate.
Under what law do I need to provide you my details?
Your arrest is necessary to obtain your name and address, as you've failed to provide me with that and refused to. Okay.
I'm not obliged to do so.
Then. Have to force entry to the vehicle.
Okay, if you do so, you'll be okay. If you do so, you'll be committing a criminal offence.
Well, you're under arrest
because I do not give you permission to do so.
Open the door, okay?
Sorry?
I require you to open the door because you're under arrest. Okay?
Under what law?
I've told you you're under arrest.
Under what law?
Open the door, please.
And what law have I broken? You need to get an inspector down here because you're not qualified in law to be able to tell me what law I've broken. I haven't. No, that's statute. Unfortunately, that's not law. No, no, that's I don't need to do so. That statute is statute law. Okay, statute law. Okay.
You're under arrest, sir, so we can discuss it later.
Under what law?
Under the Road Traffic Act, you commit an offence, we can't identify who you are. So, at the moment, you've got two options. You either open the door...
I'm parked up, so how am I using the mobile phone when driving?
Okay,
I'm recording for my safety. I'm recording for my safety. Are you all standing under your oath today? Are you standing under your oath today?
Yes.
Okay, so you're here to serve and protect. I feel totally intimidated. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 police officers surrounding my vehicle. If you touch my vehicle, you will be also under arrest for criminal damage to a vehicle. I haven't broken any law. What law have I broken? You still haven't told me what law I've broken, officer, constable.
Use a mobile phone whilst driving, okay?
Okay. When did I agree to your terms of business?
You don't need to, sir.
Yes, I do. You're a business and a limited company, okay? And I do not stand under your authority. No contract, no consent.
That's fine.
No contract, no consent. Do you understand?
Yes, I completely understand.
Okay, so no contract, no consent. I do not stand under your authority, okay? Number 1. And number 2, I'm a common law citizen.
He's failed to produce any driving licence, any documents to us, and also he started driving towards me using his mobile phone, albeit he has moved approximately 1 metre, but he's still using his mobile phone while he's driving. No, I've not met this guy before.
As I said to you, no contracts, okay? Can you tell me the proclamation date when I accepted your terms of business? What is the proclamation date that I asked or agreed to your terms of business? Can you tell me? What is the proclamation date when I agreed to your terms of business, Constable? You need to answer my questions because you work for me. You're a public servant, sir. As I said to you, what law have I broken? I haven't broken any law. Everything you're saying is statute. No, that under what law? That's not a law, sir. That's not a law. It's not a law, is it? It's statute. Statute law, sir. I do not consent to statute. That's an act and legislation. That is nothing to do with law.
You're under arrest for taking without owner's consent, because you can't produce any documents.
Sorry?
You own this vehicle, so on suspicion of taking without owner's consent. You don't have to say anything that may hide offence. Do not mention when questioned something which
Okay.
is later on in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence. Okay?
No contract.
Arrest is necessary
No
to
contract,
prove
no
your
consent.
Name and address and ownership. of
No
the
contract,
vehicle.
no consent. You need to get your inspector down here so I can speak with
If
him.
you wish to make a complaint, you can either ring 101 or go into the front office and then go and make a complaint through that if you so require.
Right, I do not consent.
Yeah, you said a couple of times. We understand.
Okay, oh, do you understand then? Okay, well, I'm free to leave then, aren't I?
No, you're not free to leave. It's currently under arrest for 2 offences, okay, sir?
2 offences, really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, like I said, I don't contract with you. No contract, no consent.